Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Jetta TDI right here. 5th generation or Golf TDI will be the same, guys. What we're doing will be replacing the DMF, the flywheel, dual mass flywheel. It failed on this one, so in our case we have this engine here, guys. You don't need to pull the engine for that repair, but you need to pull the transmission. And now we'll show you how to do that, but actually it will not be in the vehicle. We'll demonstrate it so we can show you what you need to do in order to remove the transmission. If that's not what you're looking for, just don't give a dislike. We're trying to make your life easier as well, so stay with us and we'll show you where the bolts are, what hoses you need to disconnect and all that kind of stuff. Don't forget to check out our main channel, it's growing crazy fast right now. So here we have 2 hoses with 2 clamps, we need to remove those. Then you have 1 bolt here, 1 bolt right there, okay, and 1 right there for the intercooler pipe, okay. And you will be able to remove this one as well, just like that. You will need to remove the starter because there is a hidden bolt underneath it. So the starter is with 5/8 or 16mm. Both of them work. Probably 16 would be better. Okay, that one right there. And then we have 1 on top, so 2 bolts all together, and you can see that's the wire for the starter too. If the engine is in the engine bay, you will need to disconnect it from right there. And that's the one on top now that we need to do. Okay, almost there now. And we should be able to pull it out. Okay, you can see it already got loose. Yeah, on our main channel, guys, we have a Fiesta ST, Scion FRS build, and we have a big surprise coming soon too. Another car, rear wheel drive, amazing car. Okay, and that's how it is. Starter is out of the way, and we have an extra bolt right here that's hidden. I told you it's right there. That's the one that we need to remove. So that one right there, you can remove it with 18mm socket. Okay, usually those could be a little bit tight, so okay, came loose. We'll show you what the bolt looks like once we remove it. Okay, right there. We'll see if we can grab and pull it out. And that TDI, it's known, the DSG, for failing the dual mass flywheel. So that DMF, it's a weak spot on those. We've seen it on some with like 120 miles do that. So yeah, you definitely need to replace it if you have that problem. We have a video to how to diagnose and make sure it's that one. Okay, we have that one on the bottom there. Otherwise, you can use the Volkswagen too, and it will work great as well, but you can just use a wrench and sockets to do the repair. Right there, 5/8 or 16, another bolt that it's hard to get to. Okay, getting that one loose now. Okay, now underneath, that one there, and with the same 2 5/8 or 16mm. Okay, that's what it looks like. And now on the back side of the engine, towards the exhaust, another one there on the bottom. Good thing that diesel was leaking a little bit of oil and diesel here and there, so the bolts are not stuck. Okay, removing the bolt now there. What's what guy doing, man?
The guy in the front that parked on our curb.
We're trying to record here and she's like, what's this guy doing? What's this guy
He
doing?
parked on the curb. On the curb. What's he do?
And they just told mom that her car, this one there is a junk car. Scion. Okay, it's almost out of there now and I think we have 2 more after that. So now we need these 2 bolts on top removed. You can see this one here and here with an 18mm socket or a wrench you can use, but in the car it's more convenient if you use a socket or the Volkswagen too. One is out and now this one is the last one holding. So we'll have some pressure on it probably. Okay, last bolt is out. You need to support them now because they're gonna drop. Now we need to grab them. Okay, and that's the transmission, guys, right there. Alright guys, so we're ready to remove the flywheel. If you use the impact, that's the easiest way. Okay, and that's the Volkswagen too. Okay, let me show you with a... Usually you can put a 13mm socket over it. Okay, that's what it looks like, the one that has many pointy things. This one is M12. I don't know the real name for it, but it's M12 Volkswagen too. Okay, so we have 6 bolts, they're very fine thread. Okay, 4, 5, okay, we're almost done with it. 6. And we should be able to pull it out. I will definitely recommend using a new one. Don't get a second hand because you'll be doing the job again. And it's not an easy job. Especially if you have everything inside the car. Okay, and it should come out now. Pretty heavy. Dual mass flywheel. Okay, it gets stuck pretty good. So you gotta be careful, just move it a little bit and it'll come out. Okay, right there now. A little bit on the other side. This thing is stuck pretty good. Okay, and that's what it is, guys. Pretty heavy. That's where it contacts, so you want to make sure everything's clean here. And that's the dual mass flywheel, which is incredibly heavy. So make sure you hold it good when you remove it. That could injure you. Okay, and we'll see what the other one looks like, the failing one, and if we're able to see noticeable signs why it failed and something wore out or something, we'll show you in another video, guys. So that's for today. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.